Alright, so I've been working on trying to freaking break this fuel tank ring off on this 99 Trans Am WS6, and I just got it. Literally just got it. And I've tried everything. I've tried, so there's a nice video on YouTube how to install this hatch, and I wasn't about to spend $200 on a special removal tool, but anyways, I tried hammering this thing out with an extension and a 4-pound, there it is. I got a freaking 4-pound sledge, and as you can see, I was trying to like just get this thing off. It's taken me hours and days, and I finally bought this tool on Amazon for, I don't know, less than 20 bucks. But it didn't fit, so it's for a breaker bar. This is how I got the thing off. I had to install them loosely at a weird angle. Let me show you this. Okay, I just broke it loose. Like, this is just fresh off the press here. It's still a little tight, but this is what I did. I basically got this thing on Amazon. It has 3 arms, and anyways, I put one on backwards, one on forwards, and I pinched it between just like these two here, and it managed to fit through. I used a breaker bar, slowly added pressure, and it busted off. So I did it with all my fuel lines attached, because anyways, next step is to get the pump out, but that's for someone else's video. But I just wanted to share with the world how to get this freaking thing loose, because it was a nightmare.